Ase entunde entangan kegima inse yomuroberio o CBC nigo chiskuru secondary chinene gose senior schools chiariganirie aborokiwa abo bagochigosoa ase grade ya 10 kagukwana chingaki alenge korotota omuroberio yo omuwaziri bwechisemi omusike Julius Migos Ogamba nigo abagakoene kibuna omuroberio yo nigo ogenderete buya ase boigo abeiriga koene kibuna serikali yensi ya Kenya nigo egenderete gusigasigira aborokiwa bonsi erikoenekia inkwenyorera bari amasomo abo oroboti oru nigo rwariganigwa n'omurikito Haron Ototo Nyaingiri.
This is their first admission of students under the national school with the C1 status.
Magiga ya school ya secondary chinene gose senior schools kobora omwaka omugima wa 2025 batabwati class ya kianda gose kama na form 1 litkolia lero nigo school ao chaligania class ya kyoge 10 ase omwasiri wecheme musike Julius Migos Ogamba ara omorobolio yo.
But in all the institutions we confirmed that the placement of grade 10 has gone on smoothly and is going on smoothly.
So that the girls can
we talked to some of the parents and indicated that they are being attended to and any of the questions that they have being answered. We are using the chemist IT module that we created and the team.
Kolengana no mwasiri wechisemi musike Julius Migos Ogamba nigo emerobili yo yagendera buya na nigo anikibuna abobisa wechisemi nigo bagendete kurwa obokonyi uchiase abaibuli na boigo abarukigwa.
In case there are questions arising out of the placement or any challenges that parents may have, so that their issues are attended to there and then. For example, where we might find that the student has been admitted to a school, but the school is not reflecting on the portal. They need them to reach out to go out and it's sorted out there and then so that the child can be.
Boigo omusike Migosi nigane kibuna morobulio yo nigo ragendere goikali tukolia chuma na wanyokugania kole aroro nigo amatuko arabase gochikomentwa.
The admission will go on all the way to Friday, and even after that we will be able to discuss and see what is the issue, a status report on Friday, and that status report will determine on whether we open another window for further admissions until each and every learner out of the 1.13 who did KJSA are actually admitted. Because this being the first time that we are doing this particular placement system, we are anticipating that we will have these challenges, these teething problems, and so we are available to ensure that we navigate that space so that we do not disadvantage any student or any learner. So
chingaki chechio omusike Migosi Ogamba nigo arwa kuboli gochesa abana siasa na boigo abarai ese ababoli abanyaka bakurenda chingwana chibabirwa kubwatokana mono igoro ya masomo ase ayaneke muna nigo chigoita barokiwa na boigo ababoli emioyo.
And we must, as leaders and as government, we must support them to achieve those goals. So we must temper our words, think about what's the impact of the statements we are making. Maybe if you have a point, try and make it in a way that does not bring friction among the people that live in that space, or students or learners in the institution. So we're trying to pass a message. Please don't bring your politics into our schools.
Musike Migosi nigalinga ukona iga chinga kyatalira chikuru ao korodota morobeli yuwa gogochaka bwabarakwa bekrasi ya 10.
Even as we are doing this placement exercise, we are alive to the fact that some students sometimes can even go into depression if they do not get the school they want. So we are alive to that fact and we are saying let us listen to them so that if there is a possible to change a student from one school to another depending on the capacity of the schools that they want to move to, we will do it.
Haron Ototo Nyaingiri, Gatembe TV.